Hi, welcome to Bittrex training program. Today we're going to see one of the core feature of Bittrex, that is video conferencing. So the Bittrex itself providing a video conference option. You need not to go to any third party application to make a meeting or do a meeting. So to get access for the meeting, you need to go to a left side. You can see the whole menu bar. So in that you need to click on more because the feature has been added. So you need to go there and you can see the video conferencing. Just click on that video conference. So there you can create a meeting link. So I'm just going to delete it. Yes, okay. So to create a meeting, you just want to click that create and name the meeting name. Just name it as test, and you can add the attendees as much as attendees. Okay, so right now I'm just going to send the link so that they're going to join there, and you can use the password to protect your meeting. So in my case I'm not going to use that, and I just click on create. So as you can see, the test uh, meeting link has been prepared. It's ready. So just share the link, copy the link, and you can just share it in the chat box so that the employee will receive the link and they will gonna join the meeting. So I'm just gonna start the meeting. So it will ask for enable the camera and the microphone, and just click on that. And if you don't want the camera, the video, so just go to start with the audio. As you can see, the meeting has been started, so attendees will be joined the will gonna join the meeting. So if you want to see the attendees, as you can see, there is an option for attendees. You can see who are the employees has been joined the meeting, and also there is a chat option that you can easily interact with the employees. It is mainly related to internal purpose, and also you can use it for the external users also. If you want to directly chat with the external people, it might be a client or customer, you can give it a video conference link and you can interact with them accordingly. So if they have, if a employee or client have a questions to ask, so they can easily raise their hand to, and the host can stop and he can answer for everything whatever the employees or external clients ask the questions. And also there is option for screen sharing, so you can share an entire screen, or you can also send uh, share the screen in windows, and also in chrome tabs you can easily, the individual tabs can be shown here. So okay, this option. And also there is option for recording. Okay, for recording you need to install a Bittrex 24 desktop app, then only you can record the meeting, because the whatever the record, the meeting has been recorded, it will directly go to the local disk or wherever you match the to record the videos. So it will go there. So in the web, I'm using this Bittrex in web. So the Chrome search, so it is not going to show this option right now. So if you want, you need to install the desktop app. Okay, and that's it for this video. And also if you want a free trial, 15 days trial of account of Bittrex, in description there is a link to get the account. You can easily click and get access for the free trial account. And also there is a support link where you can ask the queries related to Bittrex so that we can answer it. Okay, thank you.